Power button short, press 3 seconds to tooth to turn on. Short, press the power button for 3 seconds to turn off the power. A long press will enter match mode, which can be turned off and back on again. Matching remote control setting parameters. Push the ruler to select power button to confirm. Monitor type belt. Wheel diameter 90. Drive ratio 2.4. Motor pole pairs 7. Matching complete. This is the speed button to switch gears. For speed mode, remote control to adjust direction of travel. Press the function button twice. Quickly press the power button 5 times to customize settings. Roll the scroll wheel to choose parameters. Press power to confirm. Wheel diameter 90. Drive ratio 2.4. G1 speed. G2 speed. G3 speed. G for speed. EBS 100. Press power to confirm. The maximum sensitivity setting is 100. If the remote control shows the arrow pointing up, but the wheel is turning inward, we need to adjust the orientation. Direction CCW. Press function key to exit setting.